Hello students, this is Frederick sir here. In this particular module, I am going to explain and talk about the seasons of India. Especially, I will talk about the cold weather or cold season or the winter, the hot weather or summer season. The changes in weather conditions of India can be broadly categorized into four distinct patterns. How India's weather changes, that is divided, categorized in four. These are the cold weather, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon, and the retreating monsoon. Especially in this module, only these two I will talk about, cold weather and the hot weather. The advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon will be talked in the next module. So let us move with the cold weather or the winter season. India has cold weather in the winter that begins in mid-November and lasts till February. Yes, middle of November to almost the end of February. Then after February, the hot weather begins, the summer. The northern parts of India are the first to experience the cold. This is the northern part of India. Yes, this part, all northern parts. December and January are the coldest month in northern India. Yes, December and January. The southern parts of India do not experience very low temperature. So they don't have more cold than the northern India. The frost is a common phenomenon in the northern plains. While the higher slopes of the Himalayan area, yes, experience snowfall around Jammu and Kashmir. During winter, the northeast, this is the northeast, trade winds, this is what northeast trade wind, in the next map you can see, blow over the country. In most parts of India, the weather during the winter is dry. It does not rain, it is dry, but not hot. In some parts, like the coast of Tamil Nadu, this is where the coast of Tamil Nadu, this area. The winds blow from the sea to the land, yes, from the Bay of Bengal. Hence, these places receive some amount of rainfall. You can see the marked areas, the rainfall during the winter. Other characteristic features of the winter season experienced over the northern plains is the inflow of cyclonic disturbances from the west, from this area. Yes, from the west on the northern plains. The winter rainfall is locally known as Mahavat. Remember the word Mahavat. In the winter season, that rainfall comes due to the cyclonic disturbance from the west and the northwest. Yes, from the northwest, this area. The sea has a moderating influence over the peninsular region of India. Yes. Hence, there are no drastic seasonal variations in temperature pattern, and winters are not as distinct as in the north. Only in the northern area of India is more cold, but southern India is not much. So let us move to the hot weather, the summer season. The hot weather season in India refers to the summer that begins in March and lasts till mid-June. Just after the winter season that ends in February. In March, the summer begins till mid June. In India, summer is caused due to the northward movement of the sun. To the northward movement of the sun, which shifts the global heat belt northward. Yes, from the south to north. Lu are strong, remember the word Lu, are strong, gusty, hot, dry winds that blow during the day over north and northwest India. This area, north and northwest area, during Rajasthan, Gujarat, and all. In northern India, dust storms are also very common during the month of May. This is also the season for localized thunderstorms associated with violent winds, torrential downpours, often accompanied by hail, even hailstone and some sort of thunderstorm and bit of rainfall, downpours. Sometimes it is very heavy rainfall around this area in the northern India. Pre-monsoon showers are common, especially in Kerala and Karnataka. This is the area of Kerala and Karnataka. Monsoon that comes from this area, yes, through Kerala, Karnataka, and comes all the way to the northern India. And are other often referred to as mango showers. Remember the phrase mango showers, as they help in the early ripening of mangoes. This particular rain before monsoon that comes, pre-monsoon shower, is known as mango showers because it helps in ripening the mangoes. In this particular slide, the flow chart you can go through. By pausing the video, you can read through. Yet I talked about the cold weather season and hot weather season. Thank you for your attention.